Hi there, and welcome to the fourth episode in our ViiBE and Zendesk series. In today's video, we'll show you how to use ViiBE's ticketing system in Zendesk. When a technician or customer experiences a complex or technical problem, you can create a new ticket for the issue in the upper left-hand corner of your Zendesk support dashboard. Then, fill out the ticket information as you would with any support ticket. Once submitted, you can click on the newly created ticket and notice that there is now a ViiBE call button integrated into the right side of the ticket. Here, you can schedule the call in advance for a specific time if the person in need of assistance isn't available right away, or you can go directly to initiate a call. To launch a call right away, simply add the phone number or email address of anyone who you want to invite to the call. The technician or customer will receive the call notification and in one click and without download will join the call with the expert. By joining the call, the expert has a clear view of the situation, giving them a better understanding of the problem. And now, we'll take a look at how you can use ViiBE's ticketing system in Zendesk. Following a call, you or one of the call participants may want to share additional information or download some of the documents that were sent during the interaction. When you look inside a ticket, you can update the ticket description and assign additional collaborators or expertise to view the contents of the ticket and offer support. ViiBE's integration into Zendesk is helping clients increase first call resolution, reduce expert trips on site, and boost customer satisfaction. See what our users have to say about us on the Zendesk Marketplace.